building a new recipe in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to name it, link a style, build the bill of materials, and watch your volume, gravity, ABV, and cost recalculate live as you go. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Create Recipe Bomb from your dashboard. Let's build a new recipe. Start by naming it and choosing the beverage type: beer, wine, cider, seltzer, or spirits. That first choice sets the tax class and shows the right brewing fields for what you're making. Open the Style Picker and search for your target style category. That links the recipe to the standard guidelines, so your target numbers are pre-filled and you can compare your actual results later. Now build out the bill of materials. Add each ingredient: grain, fruit, juice, botanicals, with the amount and the stage it's added at. Watch the calculated fields update live: target volume, starting gravity, projected ABV, and cost per unit. Add your process steps: mash, boil, fermentation, aging, with target times and temperatures. When it looks right, hover save, and this recipe is in your catalog, ready to schedule.